Hey, what's up guys? Ali here from mysocialyou.com and welcome back to my channel. So how do you make money with affiliate marketing? We're going to talk about that in today's video. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. Okay, now let's jump right into this. Affiliate marketing, it's not new. You guys probably have heard of this, and there are many different ways of using affiliate marketing. I'm going to talk about the way I use affiliate marketing to create some income and revenue in my business. So obviously you can use platforms like ClickBank. That's a really big platform for affiliate products. And then there's Commission Junction, I believe, there's Share a Sale. There's so many different networks, or these marketplaces, I should say, that you can use. Basically, you can go select different products and then promote those products to make money. But I actually don't use these platforms or these marketplaces. What I do is very simple, and that's what I want to talk about. So during my YouTube videos or on my YouTube channel for different videos, if you look at, so let's look at this video. If you look at the description, so here is the description, and I talk about my favorite social media tools. Some of these are, here's my favorite tool to use hashtag, it's Flick. So let me open that in a new window. Go to the site, and it is an affiliate link, right? It's a tool that I use. I have several videos about this tool. This is the tool I use to research for Instagram hashtags, and I share a link inside my videos or in the description of my videos, and then people go and purchase that. And I do make, let's look at my revenue, or it's probably not a lot, but let's see. I'm actually gonna open in this window right here, $63. So that's not a lot, right? So here you go. So I had $32 and then $30. So that's not a lot, but it does add up. I do have, but that's just one link, right? I have all these other tools as well. One of these is InGrammer. So that's a tool that I use if you want to do some automation for your Instagram direct messages. So you know how when someone follows you on Instagram, you can send them a message that says, hey, thank you for the follow, and then, you know, different things. So I have an affiliate program with that. Let's go and check my revenue with them. And let's go, I'm going to go to my dashboard, affiliate. Let's look at the payout. Oh, this is actually pretty good. So I made $1,800. It's small, but it's all right. It's more than Flick, right? And then look at every other week, I'm almost 237, 149, 333. So it's not a lot, but then again, you know, it's coming from just one link. And affiliate marketing is not my main business. There are a lot of people who probably know a lot more about affiliate marketing better than me, and because that's their main focus, that's what they do. But this is what I do as far as the affiliate marketing is concerned. It's very simple. I just mentioned the tools that I use, my favorite tools, and all these links, and they all make, some are making $30, $40 a month, some are making a couple of $100 a month, but it all like adds up. So it's very easy to do. If you do want to try this, here's what I would do. Step number one, make a list of different tools, services that you use in your business, right? Step number two, go to their website and look at, for example, I use Flick. So if I go to their website and scroll down, in many cases, they're going to have something like this, affiliate program. And it's very simple. You can simply sign up, and that's it. Or if they don't have anything listed on their website, you can always send them a message through their chat or through the Contact Us page, or sometimes you can even find people who work at that company on LinkedIn, and you can reach out to them and ask about their affiliate program. Very easy to do that. So that's step number one. And the step number two is, obviously, you have to create content, right? So once you have an affiliate link, the link is not gonna make you money by itself. You have to promote that link. So in my case, I use YouTube videos and then the description. And sometimes I create specific videos for these tools, right? I create different tutorials, different videos. I focus on how I use the tool, and also it helps drive traffic to my affiliate links. It's very, very, very easy to do. So you can do something like this, but you don't have to. Sometimes you can also promote your affiliate links or products in your blogs. Maybe you have a podcast, so you can do that, promote your affiliate products inside your podcast. Maybe you have Instagram, so you can do it there. Maybe you have a Facebook group, you can do it there. But it's two-step process. One is you get the affiliate relationship or link, and then two, then you have to drive traffic to that link. And then you can create affiliate marketing income easy way, right? If you have any questions, leave those questions below in the comments. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.